Hey there! Welcome back to Codetrius, the channel where we simplify tech so you can learn smarter and code better. Today we're unlocking one of the most fundamental concepts in computer science. What is an algorithm? We'll break it down, explore its key features, and even take a quick look at how businesses use diagrams to understand how data flows through their systems. Let's dive in. At its core, an algorithm is a set of instructions, but not just any instructions, they're clear, step-by-step commands that a computer can follow to solve a specific problem or perform a task. It's like a recipe in cooking. You have ingredients, which are the inputs, you follow the steps, which are the process, and you get a meal, which is the output. Whether you're sorting names in an app, calculating totals in a spreadsheet, or recommending videos on a platform, algorithms are the logic behind the scenes. So what makes an algorithm work well? First, it must be clear. Every step must be written in a way that there's no confusion or interpretation needed. Second, it must end. A good algorithm has a stopping point and does not run forever. It needs to accept one or more well-defined inputs. And it must produce at least one expected output. It should also be feasible. The steps must be realistic and doable with the resources or tools available. And it needs to be effective. Each step must contribute towards solving the problem. Finally, it doesn't have to be written in code. An algorithm is language independent and can be written in plain English, pseudocode, or any format that communicates logic clearly. Algorithms aren't just found in code. We use them in real life every day. Think about brushing your teeth. You pick up the toothbrush, apply toothpaste, brush the top teeth, then the bottom teeth, then rinse. That's an algorithm, a logical series of steps to complete a task. In the programming world, the same idea applies, but instead of brushing teeth, the algorithm could be sorting numbers, filtering emails, or calculating tax. Now let's look at data flow diagrams. These are visual tools that help map how data moves through a system. Businesses use them to understand how tasks and information move between departments. They show where information starts, how it's processed, where it's stored, and where it ends up. This kind of diagram helps identify problems, slowdowns, or places where automation can save time. For example, if a customer places an online order, a data flow diagram could show how the order moves from the website to the inventory system, then to the shipping department, and finally to delivery. These diagrams are super helpful for building efficient systems and making smart improvements. So to sum it all up, algorithms are structured instructions that solve problems. They must be clear and properly take inputs and give outputs. They are effective, doable, and not tied to any specific programming language. Data flow diagrams help us understand how those algorithms fit into real-world systems. They make it easier to improve processes and build smarter software. If this video helped you understand algorithms better, hit the like button